You come to Stuller, you get motivated.
This will change the game for you. You don't want to just be out there operating on pure instinct. You have to consider every day a new opportunity.
You think you know everything that Stuller offers, but when you come in this building and you see everything that they do, you learn about something new.
It's a big company, but I feel like I'm part of it now, having gone through Bridge.
I'm leaving here really pumped up with all kinds of ideas.
I intend to change my entire store based on this event.
It was even better than it was the last time I was here.
It was beyond our expectations.
That just blew us away.
Boy, was I blown away.
It's amazing.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Fantastic.